Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is an extension to my previous video. Last week we looked into how to shoot an AR game object using a bullet which we spawned by touch. This week I'll just add a few lines to the script so that when the enemy dies, in our case the spider, it can again respawn at the same position it died after a few seconds. So this is helpful if you're trying to create a wave effect where lots of spiders are coming in and out. So as mentioned before, this project is an extension to my previous videos. I'll post the links in the description and also try to attach the relevant scripts. If you like my work, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get back to Unity. As you see, this is the same scene we created last week. I'll just try to organize the project a little bit. Just check if all the components are in the place. The sphere looks fine. It's got an explode script on it, which is outside the script folder. I'll just bring it inside the correct folder. Then let's check the controller, which had the AR placement script. It's got a spider parent in it, which looks like it's not in the prefab folder. Let me drag it to its respective folder. Just checking all the spiders look correct. So as you see, we have 7 spiders to begin. This spider alone is one which will replace the other spiders individually when destroyed. I'll just replace the animator controller, which had spider walk, to a spider which had that jump animation. This makes it aligned with the other 7 spiders inside spider parent. Now let's add a few lines to this explode script as to what should happen when we explode by colliding the bullet with the spider. First, let's add a few parameters. First, the enemy to spawn, which is for the spider, then get the position and rotation of where they should spawn. Now when checking collision, store the collision position in kill pause variable and rotation in kill rot variable. Then add coroutine spawn enemy again and give a wait for seconds with the argument wait time, which will make it public. Start this coroutine here. Inside the coroutine, we will instantiate the spider or enemy at the kill position and rotation. That's it. Back to Unity, I'll add the spider to this empty field in the explode script. Then I'll just have to look to the sphere once again. It has the default material on it. I'll quickly add a red color material on the sphere. So that looks nice. And with everything looking ready, let's go to build settings and select the current scene and build and run. This is it. I can shoot these red spheres as bullets, which when collided with spiders, first explode, but after 3 seconds, which we had a wait time as a float, and 3 seconds, a new spider is spawned. You can add conditions further so that waves of spiders can be spawned, or a timer and a scoring system can be used. I'll try to cover a timer and scoring system in the next video. That's it for today. If you like my work, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll be posting Unity related videos possibly every week, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you and peace.